afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm doing great, sir.
What is your good name?
My name is Snehal Damke.
Where you are residing?
I'm staying at Vashi Sector 17.
Where you are working?
I'm working with Lava International
As
as a retail head.
and what is the super lovely day of class?
Today is the 7th day of class, sir.
Seventh day experience in 3 paras. Up journey, first para,
Okay.
second journey, second para, third para, opinion.
Okay. We went on from my residence at Sector 17.
Very good.
In my own vehicle, we took to Palm Beach Road. We took to the last Uran Fata to Sanpara to Bombay-Pune Expressway, then to Kalanagar toll, then to Khopoli toll, then on the way to Lonavala.
What is the speed used up journey?
The speed used was around 120-125 kilometers,
Yes.
with constant use of clutch and brake because we were going up the hill.
Very
And there was a time when I have to only work the vehicle on clutch and brake
Very good.
uphill. We reached Lonavala. All the fifth gear,
Very
five
good.
gears were used. Majorly second and third when we were turning
per
up
requirement.
Lonavala. We stayed at Lonavala for some time. Then we returned from Lonavala,
Yes.
again on the Bombay-Pune Expressway till Kalanagar, again through Kalanagar toll plaza to Khopoli, then on the way to Bombay-Pune Expressway, and right now we are end of expressway right now.
Yes. What is the return journey highest speed used?
Return journey highest speed I have touched around 145 km per hour. The maximum gear usage was fifth only,
Very
90% was fifth only.
And how is overtaking driving on return journey?
So that was the major part of it. The best part of it is that I could understand how to overtake on the Mumbai-Pune super speed expressway.
Yes.
How to change the lane when we could see that a vehicle
Yes.
is coming, vehicle is
Yes.
stopping, and how to see in and around back forth while speeding at 140 km
Yes.
per hour.
You are controlling up to 145 स्पीड में कंट्रोल करके ओवरटेकिंग भी किया, जंपिंग भी किया, ट्रैक चेंजिंग विथ सेफ जर्नी. हाउ इज मिराकल मास्टर स्वामी ट्रेनिंग सिस्टम?
It is really awesome because I didn't think that I will be changing lanes, overtaking. Overtaking was the last part what I have thought of today.
Yes.
I didn't know that I will be going to Lonavala, taking uphill, because this is my biggest fear to go uphill and to work my vehicle on the all the snaky roads.
Yes.
Today we have gone to I think around 1,500 above sea level. Used all the gears. You turned the track, turned the lanes, overtaken vehicles on the 7th day of my class.
Yes. How is miracle master to master course result?
Really, really superb, sir. Today's class was eye-opener. Literally eye-opener. I mean,
Yes.
I didn't think.
When you see the presentation of Master Swami at the time of before admission, the students will Jyoti Wadve 140, Dr. Aisha 120, Gladin 150, Shweta Patil 150, Master 140, 150. Is it possible? Now you say, Snehal Damke, is it possible
It
in
is
this
possible.
course?
It is very possible. I mean, sir was asking me to push to 220 km per hour. It is just because I couldn't change line in time, that point of time. Otherwise, we would have touched 170, 180 also.
Yes.
But now I am confident that I can touch 150, 160 on with control, total control on the vehicle.
Safety.
Complete control on the vehicle.
Yes. On the whole, summary, how is Master Swami training system best driving classes?
It is really superb. It is really superb. I mean, today is the 7th day, and now I can control the vehicle in city, on the roads, on the signals, uphill also today. I think another 3 to 4 classes to the Lonavala, and I might try all the other hilly locations in the country on my own vehicle.
Today is the toughest risk areas.
Yeah, true.
आज के बाद आपको स्पेशल परमिशन दे रहे हैं. You can use your car in Navi Mumbai Road independently. This is award from Master Swami to Snehal Damke today performance.
Thank you.
As well as you got 10 superstars.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot.
Wish you best of luck. God bless you. Happy journey. In one word, looks queen of car on Mumbai-Pune Express Highway up to Lonavala, return back up to 145 speed with safe journey and jumping of changing lane, overtaking, super miracle driving of Snehal Damke today. Bye.
Bye. Thank you, sir. Thank you.